Hi, I'm Jessie Keith from Sungrow Horticulture, and some lettuce varieties are better than others. Each year I try to choose varieties that are crisp and sweet and stay sweet even when the heat of summer hits, and varieties that are slow to bolt. Here I have some beautiful dwarf romaine lettuce and some gorgeous leaf lettuce. It's mid-spring and they're doing beautifully. So let me talk a little bit about some of my favorite varieties to grow each year and the ones that really perform well no matter what.
There are lots of different lettuces, which include thin-leaved, loose-headed butter types, such as Boston and Bibb lettuce, as well as cut-and-come-again leaf lettuce varieties. Denser, crunchier lettuces include romaine, iceberg, and Batavan crisphead types. Here are our favorites for taste, performance, and disease resistance. This classic heirloom leaf lettuce has been around since the 1870s because it's reliable, doesn't get bitter, and resists flowering and heat. If you like super sweet lettuce, try this exceptional Bibb type. The tender green heads grow and taste best in cool regions, but they're also slow to flower. This easy-to-grow, award-winning butter crunch is a buttery Bibb lettuce that remains sweet even in heat. If you want a mild, crisp iceberg lettuce tolerant of warmer weather, try the reliable Crispino. Its heads remain uniform and dense. Traced back to 1700s Austria, the maroon speckled leaves of this crisp romaine look lovely. The name means trout-like, and it resists flowering in heat. This red leaf lettuce is very frilly and pretty. It's an Italian heirloom that adds texture and flavor to salads. Considered one of the most reliable Batavan lettuce types, Moore has small, crisp heads with exceptional flavor. They're also highly disease-resistant. The elegant French crisphead Reine de Glace is easy to grow and delicious. It has a crisp white heart and cut leaf edges. Award-winning Salanova lettuces are great, but red butter is exceptional. Its beautiful buttery reddish leaves are very flavorful. This highly rated large-headed romaine is a classic for salads and remains crisp and sweet until summer heat hits. Lettuce is easily grown from seed, but plugs make planting easier. Seeds can be planted indoors or out, but they need light to germinate, so sow them on a moist soil surface. Plugs can be planted as soon as the soil can be worked. Lettuce likes cool spring or fall weather, full sun, and requires fertile soil with good drainage and a neutral pH. I like to grow mine in pots filled with OMRI-listed black gold natural and organic potting soil. Apply a little vegetable fertilizer at planting time for best results. Clip leaf lettuce as needed and harvest full mature head lettuce as whole heads by cutting or pulling them along the soil base. Then enjoy your lettuce before the high heat of summer.